Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a YouTube video or show a YouTube video on your HTML website. So for it, first of all, what you need to do is we need to go to the video that we want to show in our HTML website. So let's say I want to show this video. So first of all, we need to click on it. Then once you just play the video, in the down you will see this share option. Just click on this share option. And also click on the share option, you will see this button or option called embed. So just click on that. Then it will show you something like this. So you will see some more option like started. You can select, let's say after 30 seconds, you want to play this video on your website. You can do it as well. You just need to select it and give the time. But I'll keep it the way it is. And then you can see there is also enable privacy enhance mode as well. After that, here you can see this copy option. Just click on this copy option and this code will be copied. Then in the step to go backward 4, and in the body we are going to paste whatever we just copied. After it, if we just save this, then if we refresh here, there you can see we are about to add YouTube video on our HTML website, and we can play this. And we can pause this. You can change the volume as well, and if you want to change the size, we can do it as well. Let's say here, let's make it width will be 800 and height will be 500. We can set this, then refresh here. There you can see it got bigger. So this is how you can add YouTube video on your HTML website. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Ensure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.